Hello dear friends, today is 7 July 2022. My name is Sergey Khodachenko. Now we have order for Typhoon Pro Mini from Malaysia. Now I show what we make. This is table for cotton candy. Excellent welder, argon. Look, very beautiful. This is parts for Typhoon Pro Mini, 12 kg per hour. This is for catcher. This is protection plastic. Mirror, shine. We also ready for shipping for our client from USA. One Typhoon. This is 5 order from that client. This is trash, too much, 300 kg. Okay, if you want some equipment, Typhoon Pro Mini 12 kg per hour, Typhoon Pro Ultra 20 kg per hour, or Typhoon Pro Max 40 kg per hour, write to my WhatsApp and number under this video. See you again, bye bye.